Hello and welcome. My name is Carloscar Tovar. I'm a web developer and designer in San Antonio, Texas. And this will be the first video of a series I want to do about web tools, website creator tools, website builders. So I know about web design, and I've been trying these website builders, and they can be pretty useful. So this is going to be the first video. I'm going to be reviewing other website builders and help you decide which one is the best option for you. So this is Strikingly. Strikingly is very popular and is widely used in the community of business owners, entrepreneurs. So let's start. I've been using Strikingly in a couple of projects, and it's pretty user friendly. It has a few details that I dislike, and it's pretty straightforward. I'm not going to show you how to create an account or how to log in because that's pretty easy. So you can see in the dashboard you can manage the domains. You can buy domain names. You can buy and create emails, and you can manage your audiences. This is a separate option that Strikingly has, and you need to have a paid plan in order to use this feature. The free option is available for you if you want to try it out. You can have a free domain name. Of course, it's a subdomain, but if you have your side gig or your side hustle and you're trying to just make some extra cash on the side, you can start with the free option. It's going to work pretty well. You're going to see in a few minutes how it works. So this is the forever plan, free, and the paid plans have extra options. Pretty useful if you want to grow audiences, if you want to sell online, if you want to accept credit cards, debit cards online, or sell products if you want to sell physical products. You can have it with a paid membership. Of course, it has its own domain search tool. You can search domains and you can buy the domain directly here. It's a little pricey if you want to do it directly with Strikingly. If you want to save a few bucks, you can do it, with a domain registered on the side. So let's begin creating the website. You go to My Sites and click on Create New Website. I'm not sure you can have many free websites, but let's start with the first one. So you can see right from the start the templates, the themes. So they look really good. They're ready to begin. They have these different categories, so you can just choose whatever is more similar to the industry or your goal, what you're trying to do. Or you can start from scratch. You can start with a blank site and then just start adding modules and content. So let's try to find a typical template for a service industry or something common like real estate. Let's try to find a theme for a real estate website. Let's try to create a website for a real estate company, fake company. So one of these should work. They look really nice. You see, you can have a lot of options. And I mean, how many different options does someone need to create a website? A website is just one part of the whole digital marketing strategy. This looks really nice. This is more appropriate for a kind of real estate company, for someone that sells real estate. So let's start with this one. So you can just start right from the start. You can just start editing the content. It has already sample content, and some sections. This is a one pager, so all the content is inside one page. So you can just start replacing content, you can start replacing photos and text. So if you want to save time, we're just like, what, 5 minutes into the process and you can already start adding content. So that's really good. And all the options seem easy to use. The smoothness of the tool, the software, is really easy to use. There are no bugs, no delays. You see, it's easy to change the layouts. You have different options. You can style, add titles, subtitles, and style them. Of course, with the basic text options. You can change colors. You can move stuff around. So when we review the other website builders, you're going to see there are some things that are similar, but my goal here is to compare and save you the time so you don't have to be trying all the different tools. I'm going to save you that time. So this is the preview. You can see the preview in different devices, how it's going to look. This is useful if you program, if you do web development, if you code a website from scratch. This is always a lot of work. But if you use a website builder like Strikingly, you have all the options here. So here you can publish. You can publish the page that we created. Let's you select an URL. Of course, it has to be available because it's going to be used with the domain mystrikingly.com, and I'm guessing that is shared by all the free users. So this is published, and this is live. That was fast. Like I said, it's a one pager, and you can see all the sections in one page. You can change the URL. That's useful too. So this is part of the settings. And of course, it gives you some extra options that you don't have to use from the beginning. Oh, this is a checklist for SEO. That's good too. Site description. This is for the meta tags. This is the description that is going to show up when the website is showing in search engines. Payments, email notifications, mobile actions. I wonder why they added that in as an extra option. But anyway. So it has a few options. It's not a lot, it's not overwhelming. But I'm going to say the learning curve for a beginner, it's not going to be too pronounced. The learning curve is so you see you have the settings, you have the editor. Oh, I changed something, made the other options from the menu to hide. is to add new pages, because right now we only have one page. So we're going to create a new one, and there it is. So you see, if you use a tool like WordPress, that I use that a lot for custom developments for clients, to add a new menu, you have to do like 2 or 3 steps. And this is, you just add the page here, and it's going to be added to the menu automatically. So you see, that's why I like to have more tools in my portfolio, more website builders tools. And I'm not against this kind of tools, because they save time for clients, and also money. I love saving money, and I know my clients love saving money. So these to add products in case you're into e-commerce, if you sell physical products. So everything is here. Oh, you have the sections, you have like templates for sections. Perfect. I like it a lot. This is the first one that I'm going to review in my. I'm going to make a playlist for this videos I'm making for website builders. I have a list of 81 website builders in my website. I'm going to put the link in the description below. And I decided to review Strikingly. Full disclosure, I'm an affiliate, but this is one of the best ones, honestly. So these two, to change the color scheme, you see how it comes with default colors, and you can just change them. This is obvious. So you can change the color scheme, but you can also change maybe it's not going to apply to some elements. You need to go into, for example, that background. You need to change it manually. So in this case, it's an image. It doesn't make sense that they do that, but I guess it's to show you that you can use a color as a background. You see how you have photos in the other sections, and only that square is the green background. So it's an image. So you can also change that background to show a photo instead. And this is to change the fonts. This is in the options. This is in the settings part of the dashboard, the page editor. Like I said, it has a few options, not a lot. I know there are other website builders, they have a lot of options that is too overwhelming, but I think this is the right amount of options. If you see my other videos, so yeah, we 7 publish, and that's it. You have a website. You have a gallery. Site design, audience settings. It's everything here is in the left sidebar. You have everything here in the left sidebar. You can rearrange the menu items. Polish. You can change the color theme in the sidebar. Why not? And this is the main dashboard. Let's see what else we have here. Stats. Analytics. So in the web development community, we use mostly Google Analytics. We had to integrate it into each website we create, but here you have the analytics already integrated, and even with the free version of Strikingly, you have access to analytics. That's really useful. And lastly, I see they have an app, mobile app, if you prefer to manage your website from your app. I personally don't like working from my phone. I prefer to work from my computer, but it's good to know that if you like working from your mobile, you have a Strikingly app for Android and iOS you can use. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.